Hello everyone, Sam is here from my first Wave.com. Making this a small video. I just finished my webinar, by the way, very good one, and just making this video for the YouTube. Okay, letting you know that how we did last week and what are the charts that I sent out in the emails to subscribers. This is one of the Aussie yen chart for our, you can see April the 1st. And this is the chart that I sent out for the setup. This level could be a springboard. Watch 97, 30, 40 for a bounce. And this was, a 4-hour chart. We had last week a lot of fundamentals, right? So the prices were like very shaky, up and down and up and down. But eventually, what I got is this. Okay. And I had I don't have the chart right now to show you, but I think I had a nice entries on this one. Let me see if I can find out and show you real quick what I'm talking about. Okay, where it is. See these? So I nice and clean. We have several entries here, and from there we took out. So this is what happened in this chart, this pair, and because we were expecting actually the QE. If you pay attention to the news, you will know what's going to happen. So and similarly, the main chart was that I sent out was this harmonic pattern. Gertley was in the making, not Gertley, butterfly, and I did not wrote down everything here when I sent out. I was sent out in a hurry. The pullback, the first pullback was 78.6, the second one was 61.8, and my take was like it's gonna go up at least to this high and then take it from there. For butterfly, it has to be 127, right? This is the next chart that I marked everything down. Had nice entries here. And this is XABCD, and this is based on this analysis. This is study of what you call a harmonic patterns, and this is one of those patterns that this is the chart made by me with all the calculation and explanation. And in the bottom you see how to trade these patterns. You're not going to find anywhere else because this is my own creation. And the trade one. Usually these patterns are believed to, like the people, should I say, conventional way to trade these. Everywhere else is like once the pattern is finished at point D, you take it, right? If it's a bearish, you take, you sell. If it's a bullish pattern, upside down, you buy it at point D. But I invented a new thing that I always find the point C. I pinpoint. I'm very good at it, and I find the C point without all my calculation, and if I see that the move starts towards D, I always cash out this leg C and D from between C and D. Okay, so that's why my take is like buy at point C. The second trade is buy at the break of point B, and the third trade is if you see a reversal at point D after finishing a pattern, then you sell it. Okay, this is how it is. So based on that, this is my chart. I made entries at point C, then the break of point B, and finally we are going towards very close to now point D, all the way straight down. Lots of pippage. Okay, so the point is that if you have one of these setup or chart that and if there is somebody that explain you how to trade it, you're talking about only this pair gave you last week more than like 500-600 pips so far in this just one move, right? And then Aussie yen and some other. Let me see if I have something else here. Yeah, pound USD weekly chart I sent out a long time ago, April the 14th, right here. Channel bounce. As you can see, the before chart, look for long setup above the channel. TL, if we make a turn, you will get one. Did we get one? Yes, we did get one for a couple of, more than 300 pips so far. It's a weekly chart, by the way. So this was a 53 level. We already broke it. We are going above it, and we're probably going to test it early in the week and then move from there. If this wave is wave 1 or A, we're going to have, right here around B, 2 or B, and then let's see what happens. I would not even bother drawing all these future, so-called future. Who knows what's going to happen in the future? My strategy and my method is just, if then, if then, if then. If this breaks, then it's going to happen. If it bounces, then it's going to happen. All right. So far, this is what it is. So that's the point is. It's like if you know what it is, how to draw channels properly, trend line, support, resistance, and then especially these harmonic patterns and how to trade them using my magic wave strategy, by the way. Knowing only, like if I give you the chart like this one, then the question is, how do you, make sure that, yes, we are, finishing the point C here, and then we're going to go up towards point D. It's very, this is always the hardest part for a lot of people to make the pinpoint entries. Everybody complains that as soon as you make the entry, the price goes against you. So they get scared and close the trade, and then as soon as you close the trade, the price start going in favor of you. So it's a very strange situation. So knowing exactly how to make an entry with very small stop loss, like 15, not more than 20 pips in one trade. On my 1 minute entries, you usually have 7, 8 pips, 10 pips. 5 minute entries, around like 14, 15 pips, 20 pips, less than 20 pips. That would be fine. Sometimes you take 15-minute entries, maybe 25 pips stop loss. But on 15-minute chart, if you have a 25 pip stop loss, you have at least, RR ratio around maybe 1 to 3 at least. Okay? So that's even better. But anyway, so this is what it is. I do webinars where I teach all of these, how to pinpoint these patterns, how to trade them, how to draw trend lines, support, resistance, and Elliott waves, and almost everything. Okay, so if you want to learn this business, then you can just more than welcome to join. Below you will find the link, and just subscribe, and believe me or not, it's going to be worthwhile joining, because it's if you don't know what you're doing, then losing money in this business is very easy. But the only difference is knowing what you do. I'll go on my website. You can see all of these, the rest of these patterns that I have. Right, I got all of those patterns made, and how to trade 1, trade 2, trade 3, bullish, bearish, some other different patterns, and Elliott waves. So once you learn those and you put them together, life becomes easy. All right. So that's just wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. Today is like Sunday, and market is going to open, so be careful. We have QE already on Friday, NFP as well. So we're going to have a mixed reaction. I still think that yen pair is going to go up again as soon as the market opens at 8 o'clock Tokyo, 8 o'clock Eastern, Tokyo open. So watch out for that, and take it from there. So hope to see you guys in my webinar. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.